Before buying a hexagonal wire mesh machine, there are a few things that many manufacturers won't tell you upfront, but customers who've had bad experiences know all too well. Cheap machines may end up costing more in the long run. Many customers making their first purchase are easily drawn in by low prices. However, with equipment such as hexagonal wire mesh machines, if the core components lack sufficient precision, the most direct consequence down the line is customers have complained about uneven mesh, or the products break every other day, causing delays in order delivery. If you do the math, you'll see that the money you save on the price difference between the devices probably won't even cover the cost of a single repair. The gap in service quality between manufacturers and traders is much wider than one might imagine. It's only after the equipment is purchased, installed, commissioned, and maintained that the manufacturer is truly put to the test. If the equipment has been resolved several times and a problem arises, it might take you several days to find someone who really understands this machine. As for the original manufacturer, they have had a thorough understanding of every detail of this equipment since the very first day of production and can respond immediately if any issues arise. To put it simply, there's one key point. When buying equipment, don't just look at the price right now. Consider whether it will save you trouble in the long run. We are Ute Machinery, a manufacturer specializing in hexagonal wire mesh machines and gabion mesh machines. If you're planning to purchase a hexagonal wire mesh machine, feel free to reach out to us with any questions you may have. We're happy to explain everything upfront to help you avoid any potential pitfalls.